Hey folks, Chris Croxton here with Pop Yachts. We're looking at today is a 2003 Regal Commodore. Just went through and got a really good set of photographs for the boat. Everything looks to be in good condition. Spoke to the owners for quite some time, and everything on the boat is functional per them and per what I've seen. There is video posted of the engine starting and running, which sounded outstanding. And of course, this model was the 2860. Nice, big, extended swim platform there. And I really like the configuration of this boat. It's great for entertaining, cruising. He does have the full isinglass wrap around for it for those rainy or chilly days. And he's pulling that out right now. It's original isinglass, but says it's in like new condition because they just never used it. So it's a nice looking boat. Nice clean lines. Really good looking bimini top. Remote spotlight on the front. Again, nice canvas on the bimini. Extended, that canvas is extended up front. That was custom. And you see it's got the extension in the back, so when the isinglass is on it, it also has camper canvas that comes down to that back settee. So you have your swim ladder right there. As you board, you'll see this boat has an excellent configuration. This is a custom-made smaller table they put here just because the bigger table is a little challenging to get in and out of on a very consistent basis. So if you're weekending, that's nice and convenient to have. And if you want the full table, it's actually sitting right over here. You know exactly what that looks like when it's on. Alright, excuse me, I just can't reach it from that angle, but you got your outdoor ice maker. You got your cockpit sink, Kenwood speakers all the way around. There's your cabinet for the bigger table. Both of those, actually. And you got your wraparound seating right here. Seating right here. Drink holders. This is a nice step up to the bow right here. Let's step up, we'll go ahead and do it, actually. Step right on up here. You can see the snaps for the bow sun pad, I should say, which they do have. It's just not aboard right now. There's your remote spotlight, anchor gear. It's a pretty boat. It's a nice big bow for laying out in that sun pad. So you got your hatch here. Two smaller hatches right here. And that canvas does look nice and clean. And here's your helm. Nice, lots of full functionality gauges. You got your sink right there. Got 832.7 hours on the hull, with approximately 100 hours since both long blocks, risers, and manifolds were done. Got GPS map 545S. Unit in VHS. Searchlight controls. Very nice boat. We'll take a trip down to the cabin in just a moment. Okay, here are engine start video number 1. second. All right, moving down into the cabin. We have two carpeted step downs right there. Nice long bench seating right there. Nice sized table for eating or playing cards, what have you. Over here we're going to have the galley. Good sized storage right here. Microwave. The sink just verified the hot water is nice and hot. Coffee maker. Lots of good storage underneath as well. A good sized berth right here, and seller did leave out the isinglass just to show the condition. It does look very, very nice for original equipment. Looks like all the snaps are there and functional. Nice TV right there. Very comfortable environment down here on a hot day with the AC kicking. It's a great place just to sit and relax. And of course, this bed is a hideaway. It does fold out, so you have that, you have the berth, that, and then your mid-cabin stateroom right here. Mid-cabin berth, I should say. And this is an air-conditioned area, and it's very good size. It does not feel claustrophobic or anything like that, not at all. Very good size. And then you have your head right here, a stand-up shower. Nice and clean. Electric head. Alright guys, that pretty much does it here. Any questions? Make an inquiry, call, email, text. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.